Changing the footer size in Wix is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Click on the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. In the Wix editor, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the footer section. This will open the footer settings in the panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you can adjust the height of the footer by dragging the slider or entering a custom value in the height field. To change the footer size, click on the Layout tab in the Footer Settings panel. In this tab, you can adjust the padding and margins of the footer to change its size. You can also use the grid lines to help you align the footer elements and achieve the desired size. Another way to change the footer size is to use the repeater feature. The repeater feature allows you to duplicate and arrange footer elements, such as text and images, to create a custom footer layout. To use the repeater feature, click on the Add button in the Footer Settings panel and select Repeater. Once you have adjusted the footer size, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can then preview your website to see how the new footer size looks. If you need to make further adjustments, simply go back to the Footer Settings panel and make the necessary changes. Best practices for changing the footer size in Wix include keeping the footer concise and easy to read, using a clear and consistent layout, and ensuring that the footer is responsive and looks good on all devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily change the footer size in Wix and create a professional and effective website.